To load filament, first select the right material you want to print through the menu as shown in the video. A list of pre-configured materials is already included in the menu. After selecting your material, press Load Material. Then load it from the right side of the printer. Insert the filament through the white hole as shown in the video, then push it until it gets out from the white tube. Preheat the nozzle. Insert the filament inside the nozzle and wait a few seconds. Please note that this process is automatic. Some filaments should now be extruding out from the nozzle. You can remove that extra filament. To unload the filament, press Material, then Unload Material. Please wait a few seconds for the nozzle to heat. You can now take the filament out and remove the spool from the right side of the machine.